In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your time zone settings on Hootsuite. This is a handy skill to learn, especially if you've recently moved to a different time zone or noticed your scheduled posts are not being published when you expect them to. Let's walk through the process step by step together. First, you'll want to start by opening your internet browser. Now, this could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever platform you prefer using. Once your browser is open and ready, head over to hootsuite.com. At the top right, you'll see the login option, so go ahead and click there. Use your credentials to log into your Hootsuite account, and soon you'll be on your dashboard where you can manage all your social media scheduling needs. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll either see your profile icon or your name, depending on how your settings are configured. Give that icon or your name a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you'll find options for personalizing your Hootsuite experience. Inside the drop-down, look for either My Profile or Account Settings. It might be labeled slightly differently, but they both should lead you to a similar settings page. Click on this option to enter the part of Hootsuite where you can make changes to your personal preferences. Once you're in the settings or profile section, you want to zone in on the time zone settings. This may be tucked under a section titled Preferences or something along those lines. Here, see if you can find a setting labeled Time Zone. Next to the time zone, you will notice an Edit option. Go ahead and click on Edit. You'll likely see a list of different time zones appear in a drop-down form. You'll want to scroll through this list to find the correct time zone that matches your current location. This is important because the time zone settings ensure that all your scheduled posts go out at the exact times you intend them to, aligned with your specific region. Once you have selected the appropriate time zone, you need to save these changes. Look for a button labeled Save, or possibly Update, and give it a click. This final step confirms your new preferences and updates your account settings. And there you have it, your Hootsuite time zone is now updated. From now on, all of your scheduled content will publish in accordance with the correct times for your chosen time zone, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools. Have a great day.